Hello friends, welcome to a new 3-minute art and craft video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make origami stars. The material required are some strips of colored paper. This strip is approximately 28 centimeters long and 1 centimeter wide. So let's start. Let's fold one corner of the strip inwards, and I'm going to turn this way, the below strip this way, and fold it like this. And we're going to push this part, the smaller strip, into the circle we've made like this, and we're going to pull it out. Make sure there's only a small amount of the short strip outside. And let's fold it. Now let's pick the longer strip, fold it backwards this way, and we're going to fold this inwards along with the longer strip. So we're going to fold the paper this way. Now turn, fold it this way. If one paper is going this way, the other one has to go this way, like this. And as this paper is running this way, this paper has to go in this direction. And this paper is running this way, so this has to go in this direction. It's just like overlapping them, but they're not completely. And for the last bit of paper, we're going to tuck it through this pocket. And we can pull it out. Carefully. And let's tuck the leftover paper into the pocket behind. So to give our 2D star a 3D dimension, we're going to pinch here and here.
Pinch.
And there you go. We're done with our 3D stars. Now we can assemble them in a bow, and you can put it on your reading table. You can also give these stars to your friends and your family members, wishing them good luck. If you liked this video, please subscribe, share, comment, and give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and be creative.